you?
Good, how you doing?
Welcome to the Sickbilly Sideshow. Welcome to my menagerie of madness. Welcome to my corner of chaos. We've got all kinds of weirdos and freaks and psychos and nuts and lunatics in here. We got things in here that'll make your toes curl. We also got some things in here that are kind of cool. Somewhere in this menagerie, we've got a minotaur. We also have a mermaid in there. We got a fat lady, too, unless she's taking a crap again. I told her not to eat that gas station sushi. We only got 3 rules. No touching my bells, don't touch this stuff, and no lights. That's it.
Sounds good.
You guys can go on ahead.
Thank you.
Go have some fun.
We'll definitely have fun.
You never name it after me because I don't want to take it home.
Right. Oh, wow. Okay, I think you gotta push through this. Oh my god! Whoa! It is very intense right here.
Vanilla's the best ice cream. You agree, right?
Yes, yes, definitely.
What's the second best?
Honestly, I don't know. That's my favorite. Too good.
Right answer!
She's
right
good.
answer!
Whoa. Oh man.
Don't let the monkey scare you. There's a lot worse to come than just a talking monkey.
Hey! Enjoy
Oh.
the show! I hope you made that alive!
Welcome to the show. We've been looking for a new stage assistant considering the last one got ahead of himself and got his head chopped off. Would you like to join?
Ah, no, we're good. We're
then
okay.
leave.
All right, sorry. We're going. We're going. I'm sorry. We're going.
Come on, get your ducks in a
Oh my god.
row! Targets! Ready?
No. Oh god.
Back again! You're a silly goose, right? Come on, you're a silly goose. Wanna go on a wild goose chase? Let's go on a wild goose chase later, yeah? Yeah, bye-bye!
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Where am I going? Oh, right here.
I hope you're going the right way.
I hope so too. I think I am. Oh, right here.
First things
Oh my gosh.
first.
Come back,
Oh my god.
They're everywhere. Oh my gosh. I don't. There's like walls everywhere. Things are. I don't know where. Again, I don't know where I'm going. Lots of things you have to push over. Not here. This way. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Whoa. Oh man. Oh man. I hope I don't get copywritten in any of these.
Oh god.
What? Jason saw something. I didn't see anything. Man. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Molly, come on, you're boring.
You're boring too.
Sorry.
We're trying to get out here. This way? Yeah, this way. Whoa. Whoa. Step right up. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I thought we were leaving. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, sorry. No.
Hey, how'd you like the show?
Did you win any prizes?
No, we didn't win anything. Oh gosh.
Something now.
We're getting shot at with foam balls. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa is right. I think red might be your color. Or perhaps you might have a case of the blues. Don't get yellow, baby. Come place your bet.
Did you win? Did you win?
I didn't win. No. I thought I. Oh my gosh.
All evening long.
Where?
Ready, Sideshow! Come on!
Oh,
God.
that circus.
No. We're trying to go. We're trying to go. We're out of here.